Hello guys and welcome to the channel TECHTAP. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to assign IP address to your computer. So first of all, right click on network and open network and internet settings. Click on change adapter options. Double click on internet and go to properties. Here click on internet protocol version 4 and open properties. Okay, before assigning IP address, open command prompt. Type ipconfig/all. By doing this, we will get current IP address, subnet mask, default gateway and DHCP server. Go to Internet Protocol version 4, click on use the following IP address. So before assigning the IP address, make sure you are using the same starting value like 192.168.18 and just changing the ending one and replace it with something like 100 or your preferred value, because mostly routers DHCP server assign IP from 1 to 154. So I'm going to use 100, and keep it in mind if you want to change IP address of some other computers on the same network because you have to give different IP address to different computer. Otherwise internet won't be working. So go here and assign your IP address. I'm going to use 68. And keep it in mind of your router's default DHCP values. Click on subnet mask, it will assign automatically, and default gateway. Here we have our default gateway. Type it as it is. It is also the IP address of our router. For DNS server, this is the value of our DNS server. Type it in. And for alternative DNS server, alternative means if the current DNS server, your router DNS server is not working, it will use that. So I'm going to assign it the Google DNS server IP, which is 8.8.8.8, and click on OK and close. Wait for it. Here we go. We have successfully changed our computer IP address. So guys, if you like the video, then like the video, share your videos ideas and suggestions in comments, and share it with your friends and family. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.